Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a quick way to rearrange or organize the content you add to your Blackboard class. Once I'm in Blackboard, I'm going to come down to my class and click on it. Then I'm going to access my class content because that's where I add all my new items for class. And I have this big long list here. If I were to add something new, no matter what it was, so let's say these were the directions for a new project, and I added directions in the box here. So once I've added these directions, I've titled it, I come down, I've attached whatever I want to this, and I select submit. The problem is now it comes the whole way to the bottom, but I don't want it there. Normally you can take this and just drag it up and drop it, but if I have to drag this up a long way, it's actually a lot quicker for me to select these arrows here. So you'll see these arrows, and I can come down and highlight it by clicking on it and use these top or bottom arrows to drag it to the top. And then once I have it at the very top or wherever I want it, I can just click submit. And I say okay, it refreshes, and now I can see that my directions are up here. So I hope using these double arrows saves you a little time when organizing content in your Blackboard class.